welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Unice hair. I'm showing you what they sent over in the package. They sent over a ton of headbands so that I can use on this wig. So I'm just going to take this wig out. This is the Kinky curly half wig in 24 inches. As you can see, it has really tight coils. It has the blend edges design, which seamlessly mimics natural hairlines to achieve a natural blend. And you guys will see that whenever I put it on, it did blend really nicely. I'm just showing you guys that they have the drawstring as well. This is really good so you can fit your hair properly. I'm just going to go ahead and start by trying on the wig, and then I'm going to pull some of my edges out. Now I'm going to saturate all of the hair with water so that we can really make the curls pop and just refresh them and everything. Then I'm detangling the hair with my comb, and then I'm also going to cut little layers like in the front so that it can frame my face, and then I'm going to add some mousse to it, and that's going to really, make everything pop. This is an up close of what the hair looks like when it is wet. As y'all can see, the curls are really popping. They're really tight coils, and it's like it really mimics natural hair. Now I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer to make the drying process a lot quicker. Okay, so I'm just going to pin my hair up because I didn't do this in the beginning. I'm just going to pin my hair up, and then I'm going to turn around, and we are going to adjust the drawstring. I'm pulling it nice and tight so that it can fit my head, and then I'm going to pull a little piece up, and then I'm going to tuck the little drawstring piece underneath, and as y'all can see, it is not going anywhere. It is nice and secure. Now I'm just finger like separating the curls and everything so it can be nice and big and fluffy, and then I'm going to work on my hairline so that it blends as well. Of course, I can't go without adding my baby hairs, so I'm going to add a little bit of gel to my edge brush, and I'm going to swoop those up. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like. I have like a flip over type of look right now. Very cute, very natural. As you can see, it blends really nicely with my hair. The Kinky curly is like a perfect blend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a headband. I picked this headband because I feel like it matches what I have on, and I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like with a headband on. I like the look with the headband. It just looks like really put together, and it's great for those hot summer days because this is a lot of hair. If you want your hair out your face, you can just throw on a headband and you got a super cute look. Now I'm just doing a half up, half down style. I'm just putting the hair up in a ponytail to show you guys what it looks like. I'm adding a little bit more mousse to smooth that whole, you know, my front, to kind of smooth my hair in with it so that it can look more polished. Now I'm just taking my hair out of that little ponytail, and then I'm just going to refresh the front of my hair a little bit with some mousse, and that brings me back to my first style. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Unice Hair, I will have the links and everything down below in the description. Half wigs are in the summer, y'all. Make sure you get you a half wig, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't step on the